Mistakes you may not make during the no contact period. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Command and I'm your relationship expert. I will help you to understand what are the mistakes you should never make during a no contact period. Before to share with you my secrets, I want you to smash the like button and to subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel because you have Coach Natalie, Coach Abby, Coach Adrian, and myself. We just dedicated our life to help you. So, what are the mistakes that people are doing during the no contact? The first mistake, and please, I want you to stop doing this. It's to count the days. We are not in jail, okay? When we do no contact day after day, the goal is to rebuild ourselves and to feel better, to feel empowered, to feel happy. If you just count the days and you tell me, Alex, it's been 21 days, can I talk to my ex now? I will tell you no, because it's all about mindset. It's all about being positive. It's all about changing for becoming the best version of yourself. So mistake number one that I'm seeing from all over the world, it's when you just count the days, you're feeling sad, and you just tell yourself, okay, tomorrow I can talk to my ex. Yes. What will you do in this case? You will just say, I miss you. I love you. All this love communication that we don't want. Tips and advice number two. The mistake that you're doing here is to talk about the past. When we do a no contact, it's because we want to focus on the present moment. We want to talk to your ex like it's just a friend. He's not your ex anymore. He's just a friend. So we will talk to your ex, have good communication, telling him or telling her, oh my God, I went to do this skydiving activities. It was fabulous. When we talk to our ex like it's just a friend, this no contact is powerful. So the mistake, the opposite, the mistake that I'm seeing is, Alex, I did this no contact. Now I just want to share with her or share with him how much I love my ex, how much I need that person in my life. We cannot do it. Mistakes number three, stop looking at their profile online. I know it sounds crazy because your ex is adding new girl or new boys on their Instagram account. We don't care about it. We don't care because we are focused with a plan. We know that your Instagram will also be good. We know that you can change and also we create some attraction. Now, I can say that 90% of the people that will do mistakes during the no contact period, it's because they were looking online. They were looking for something. And of course, you will find it. You will always find something bad because it's social media. Oh my God, he or she posts something, nice pictures with the watch that I offer. And what next, guys? This is not very important. During no contact, it's all about understanding the mistakes that you have done in the relationship. Not just you, both of you. No contact is also about rebuilding yourself, going to the gym, change the way you dress. Just try to be more self-confident, aware, yoga, meditation, give time to homeless people. Stop going on social media. This is not real world. And I can tell that when we do this mistake, we have to restart from zero. From day one, we have to restart the no contact. It's difficult. It's hurtful. So let's not make it too long. Okay? So mistake number three that you should avoid is to look at their profile on social media. Mistake number four. When we talk about no contact, it's very important for you to not think about the next actions. There is people that I coach and they tell me, okay, Alex, I will do the no contact. Let me prepare the letter tomorrow. And I say, no, we will do it at the end of the no contact. Because if you do it now, it's not the same. In 10 days, you will be a new person. You will be a best version of yourself, as we have said. So don't focus on the next step because your no contact will not be good, will not be powerful. And you will always do the same mistake again and again. So when we talk about no contact, 100% should be focused on you, your friends, your family, your job, and the new activities that you need to do. In order that next time when you talk to your ex, And we would just say, oh my God, I learned how to cook sushi. That's wonderful, no? Your ex will feel your energy, your power. I understand that it's difficult. I understand that you need help. And this is why you need to smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are not doing videos to entertain you. We are doing videos because we know that we can help you. We can share with you our wisdom, our knowledge. And also, we want to share with you what has worked for thousands of people before you. So it's time for you to smash the like button, subscribe, but also come on our website, withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles. You can book a private coaching session with Coach Abby, Coach Natalie, Coach Edwin, or even myself, if you understand my French accent. But it's just very important for you to feel confident. I will see you soon for a new video. Remember, no contact is a powerful technique. And I have to be truly honest with you, I didn't invent no contact. I work on the radio silence, which is more like how to build some ignorance techniques. But it has worked for thousands of people, millions of people since 1,000 years ago. And it works because it's in the human nature. So just remember this. It works when you do it with the right mindset. I will see you soon, guys, for a new video. Bye-bye.